Royal 4's Wise Voice Solutions work in tandem with the Wise directed picking and packing software. The following voice video was created at our Wise customer Boon Food Group's main distribution center in Dordrecht, Netherlands. One, okay.
0601
28.
82.
2, okay.
Use container 2.
Okay.
Section 1.
1, okay.
3310. Okay. Section 1.
1, okay.
5701.
Boon is a food wholesaler that was founded in 1888 by our great-grandmother. We supply about 40 of our own branches under the MCD organization.
We are now in the freezer at Boon. It is minus 25 degrees C, it's very, very cold, and wearing thick gloves, and you had to have a marker in one hand and a stack of papers in the other hand, so that is very difficult to check off a product. The pilot test here in the freezer went really well, went very smoothly. It was very easy, very nice system. We were basically, after the test, we were like, well, bring on this system. When can we start?
The main challenge we faced at Boon is we deliver meat products that have to be weighed.
The customer is billed by weight and not by quantity. We have produced a great solution in close collaboration with Royal 4 Voice, where the voice employee reads aloud the weight he sees on the scale.
710246. Section 1. 1, okay. No weight. 0940, okay. 0301.
The speed has improved about 20%. But the most important thing is that we can say to our customers, what you order is exactly what you get.
In my experience, the accuracy of Wise voice order picking is almost 100%. 1, 5.
Box 1.
1, okay.
5101.
8, 9.
Section 1.
1, okay.
Go back to cart.
Okay.
3201.
The people now have a bit more safety because they have hands-free. They can look around while talking, so they don't have to look down at a list with the danger of someone hitting them. Wise Voice allows people to get started much faster. What we see is that we've trained someone in 20 minutes, the 28, 30 words that we know. The Wise Voice system that has now been deployed at Boon, especially with the aim of making that management information accessible, offers us the opportunity to take a good look at the process as it currently runs with voice.
Both the Dutch employees and the Polish employees pick it up very quickly. Neither Poles nor Dutch employees have left.
1, okay.
6302.
2, 3.
Section 1.
A comparison was made between Wise Voice and other providers, where the user-friendly aspects, I think in particular, were the deciding factor in choosing the Wise Voice system.
Our employees also enjoy working with it.
1, okay.
End of assignment. How many containers are there?
1, okay.
1, okay.
Yes.
Deliver containers at 147.
Okay. Royal 4 is your one-source voice partner with local support and global delivery. Contact us at 888-8-ROYAL4 or on the web at www.royal4.com. So, remember to get educated, then get wise.